Us.
Think about the generations and to say we want to make it a better place for our children and our children's children so that they know it's a better world.
Biggest friend we ever did was once a baby. One love. What about a one love? What about you do anything for money? Anything for money. Die for you, die for you. You can sell my soul to the devil.
Have you made a lot of money out of your music?
Money. I mean, how much is a lot of money to you?
Yeah, that's a good question. Have you made, say, millions of dollars?
No.
Are you a rich man?
When you mean rich, what you mean?
You have a lot of possessions, a lot of money in the bank?
Position make you rich? I don't have that type of richness. My richness is life forever.
Do you still think of yourself Chinese, or do you ever think of yourself as North American?
You know what I want to think of myself? As a human being. Because, I mean, I don't want to sound like, as Confucius say, but under the sky, under the heaven, man, there is but one family. It just so happened, man, that people are different.
We have to bring love back into the world, to remind the world that love is important. Love is important. To love each other. We're all one. It's a message. And take care of the planet. You have 4 years to get it right, or else it's irreversible damage we've done. So we have an important message to give. Okay? It's important, but I thank you for your cooperation so far. Thank you. A big thank you.